Here comes again for another maths tip sessions. Okay, this is one of the most common question which is written on 2003. Limit x approaching 1 where x cubed minus 1 x minus 1. You can come in front. And the other one is limit x approaching 0 e3x minus 1 exponent x minus 1. And this is question of year 2004. Okay, both of these questions look similar, and yes, the way how you solve them is a bit similar as well. My first question, can we use a direct substitution?
No, cannot.
If we do a direct substitution, we get here 0 over 0, and here we also get 0 over 0, and that is an intermediate solution. Okay. My second question is, can I factorize x cubed minus 1? Yes. And by factorizing, and yes, I recommend that you memorize it as well. You get your answer x squared plus 2x, is it? X squared plus x plus 1. X minus 1. Okay, answering for those who is asking me how do we get that? It's just by merely x cubed minus 1 divided by x minus 1. Okay, we cannot do this directly, so we do it x cubed plus 0x squared plus 0x plus 1 over x minus 1. Alright, I'm not going to do it because I believe it's elementary. Try it out and you get that. Okay, coming back here, x minus 1, x minus 1, you can simplify them out, and direct substitution, you should get yourself equals to 3. Okay, coming back here, how am I going to factorize e3x minus 1? Okay, my trick is this. How do you factorize x cubed just now? You got yourself x cubed plus 1, you get yourself x plus x minus 1, x squared plus x plus 1. So forgive me. So e3x minus 1 is the same. You just change, instead of writing down x, you just writing down e exponent cube. So here you got yourself e x minus 1 e 2x plus ex plus 1. It's the same thing. Alright, so whenever if in exams you got panic, you got e3x something, so try to do it in this kind of form first. So let's say you want to find yourself e3x minus 8. I don't know how to factorize this one. My advice is try and solve this one. This one is more solvable, and then substitute as how I'm substituting over here. Alright, so trying to solve that one. Limit e3x minus 1, just for the sake of finishing the topics. I get myself limit ex minus 1. As you can see over here, I'm just substituting my x with ex. Ex squared plus ex plus 1. Sorry, e2x there, not ex squared. Over ex minus 1. Alright, simplify things out, and then substituting x equals to 0, you got 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 3. Okay, that's all maths tips for the 5th session, if I'm not